The moon. What is moon? Moon is the natural satellite of Earth, visible by reflected light from sun. Sun. Moon. Earth. Moon is the nearest neighbor in space. Moon is round like the Earth. The moon is 384,000 kilometers away from us. The moon is about a quarter of the size of Earth. It moves around the Earth. It takes 28 days to go around the Earth. There are no living things on the moon as there is no air on moon. The moon has many flat plains and high mountains. It has deep holes which are called craters. Did you know? The craters are named after deceased astronauts and lost NASA employees. For example, Apollo. Moon does not have its own light and heat. It gets its light from the sun. Phases of the moon. Moon moves around the sun, so its shape changes as the sun's light falls on part of its surface. The shape that we see depends on how much the moon is lit up by sun. These changing shapes are called the phases of the moon. When the moon looks like a ball, this is called full moon. When we see only half of the moon, it is called half moon. When a small part of the moon is seen, then it is called a crescent moon. It looks like a banana.